What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download a video from Google Maps using your browser's developer tool. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com/maps. Next, search for the location that contains the video you want to save. Once the place loads, scroll to the Photos section and open it. From there, switch to the Videos tab and choose the video you want to download. Click it to open it and start playing the video. Now, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect to open your browser's Developers tool. Inside the Developers tool panel, look for the HTML code that contains the video element. Expand the sections if needed until you find the direct video URL. Once you've located the video link, copy the full URL. Next, open a new Browsers tab. Paste the copied link into the address bar and press Enter. The video should now open by itself in the browser. Right-click on the video and select Save Video As. Choose where you'd like to save the file. Enter a file name if needed and click Save. Your browser will begin downloading the video to your computer. Keep in mind that not every video on Google Maps can be downloaded this way, and you should always respect copyright and only download content that you have permission to use. And that's it. That's how you can download a video from Google Maps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.